Hi guys, I'm almost done pulling all of the threads I've pulled apart on the layers. I want to show you one more trick. And that is that if you've got an individual one that's still wrapped, see if you see that one still kind of stuck on there, what you want to do is actually just flatten the fabric. And as the fabric goes flat, the thread pops off. So rather than tugging on some of the threads and being worried that maybe you're going to tear something, if you've got some that are still stuck on, let's see if I can find a couple more. Maybe I've got most of them now, but if you do find any that are still wrapped around some fabric, the big trick is just to pull the fabric flat and then the threads will come off. So pause this for a second. So if I find some where they're still wrapped on, rather than tugging on the thread, I can pull the fabric flat and the thread pops off. So every time I'm looking for where these threads might still be attached and I find one that's still on, I'm going to pull the fabric flat underneath, and that's how the threads pop off the best. So looking further here, I can feel one is right in here. So I'm just going to pull the fabric flat that released it, and then the white threads that were my pattern threads come off. So zoom around, put my hand underneath the layers, and if I can feel some tension somewhere. Anytime I feel if there's any tension, all I have to do is pull the fabric flat, and that's going to pop the threads off. That'll get you going.